Explore isosceles triangle. Find the measure of angle x and y in the diagram. Given DC equals to ED, that means we are given these two sides as equal, DC and ED, right? Now in this triangle, we are given few angles. Angle A is 45, angle E is 32 degrees. We need to find x and y. Now we can start with this small triangle which is CDE. One of the angles is 32 degrees and we know ED is equals to CD, and therefore angle C should be equal to angle E, which is 32. So we have that angle as 32 degrees. Now that means AD should be how much? So this angle should be how much? It should be 180 degrees minus 2 times 32, correct? 2 times 32 degrees. So that is 180 degrees minus 64, right? So 180 degrees minus 64 gives us this side of D, right? EDC angle, right? So EDC is 180 minus 64. So if we take away from 10 we get 6, and 7 we get 16, and then 116, right? So y should be equal to how much? Now we know that side is 116, y should be 180 minus 116, correct? So y is 180 degrees minus 116, which is equal to, so we can calculate this. The other way to calculate y is that this is an external angle. Do you see that? Now since y is an external angle, it is equal to sum of 32 and 32, two remote interior angles. So we could get it directly also, correct? So it is 64. Well, either way we get the same answer. It's good to know that exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles, and that is also a way to get y, correct? So let's now find the other angles. Now we have a quadrilateral here. We know 32 degrees. What should be this side? This angle should be, let's work it out, 180 degrees, that's a straight line, minus 32, right? Minus 32. So that gives us 10 take away 2 is 8, and 7 take away 3 is 4. 148 degrees, right? So this is 148 degrees for us. We know y is 64. We can find x. How? What should be the sum of these four angles? This is kind of two triangles, right? Two triangles means 2 times 180 or 360, right? So angle B or x is equals to 360 degrees minus sum of all these angles. So these angles are 45 degrees plus y we found as 64 degrees, right? Plus we found E as 148 degrees. So that is what x is. So let's figure it out. Is 360 degrees minus 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 1, 5, 6, 11, 11 and 4, 15, and then 1 and 1, 2. So we get 257 degrees. So let's take away 257 from 360. 60 take away 57 is 3, right? 0, 3. And 3 take away 2 is 1. So x is 103 degrees for us, right? So that is how we get our answer, and the answer is x equals to 103 degrees and y equals to 64 degrees, correct? So I like you to check the calculations. My calculations could be wrong. So go through it once again, try to see how we solve this triangle and check if you get the same answer. Thank you and all the best.